This is what we've got from, it's from Green Computer here in Sweden. Just arrived today. My husband and I pick it up in MYCKET in Hoting. So, we will unbox this. My first unboxing video. Yay! It's this is what we've got from, it's from Green Computer here in Sweden. Just arrived today. My husband and I pick it up in MYCKET in Hoting. So, we will unbox this if what's inside. Yay! Let's go! Let's go, darling! It's the... Here's the receipt and etc. Receipt and the receipt and the receipt and the receipt. Okay. And then cut it here. Very sealed. Uh-oh. Here's the charger. It's the charger. It's a very big box and safe. So, here's what you see inside of the box. And then I saw something. I can see it already. Ta-da! It's ta-da! What's inside? I will show you. I cannot wait to show it to you. This is what's inside. And it's wrong. There. It's an Asus Chromebook. There. Asus Chromebook. It's very thin. Not that it's just thin. It's very thin. See? It's an Asus Chromebook. I will open it in front of you. Shit. This is how we see it. Take it. I will put it there. Look. See how thin it is. Very thin. And on the other side, it's this thin. And it's a new Asus Chromebook. This is how is it. The keypad and this. I am not sure if there is a battery already charged. We will see. Yeah. This is how is it. Yes. It's 15.6 inches. This is 15.6 inches, the screen. And it's very nice cover. It's with a rubberized in every edge of the screen. And I like the color. It's silver. And it's Asus Chromebook C523NA BR0035. Yes, this is it. And it's a 15. I thought that it's a little bit smaller than a regular, but it's almost the same. And what is good in this, it's easy to carry, and it's only the weight of this entire one, it's 1 kilo and 35 grams, something like that. 1 kilo something. My husband is trying to whisper me, but I cannot hear. He was in the computer room. But anyway, this is a good one that I will show you. But I will show you, we will try to on this. If it's really work, we will charge or try to on and show you how is it work. This Asus Chromebook. Guys, I will show you the difference of these two laptops. These two, they are same Asus. It's same Asus, but the thickness, it's the new one, the Chromebook, it's more thin than the Asus. Look at the the difference. See? And this is more easy to carry, travel, or whatever. It's very easy to carry. And this is thick. This is very thick. But almost same size. See? It's almost the same, but the thickness, it's a big difference. So let's see how this work. But this is good. What we have, this is really good one. This one, it's really good, working really good. This Asus, very reliable. I'll show you how it open, and then the normal the normal laptop, if you open it, it's only 390-60 degrees when you open it like this. The normal laptop, it's only open 360 degrees. But this one, this Asus Chromebook, it can be open, see, flat. Not see like this, and it's already on. So I have made and I registered an email here. How can I on it? But you can, if someone's want to borrow this, they can use without logging in my email. But use as a browser guest. Like that. As a browser guest. And then you can search here, let's say YouTube. YouTube.com. You can search her in a browser guest, and then use a two finger to remove this, and then enter as a browser guest. I will explain it to you like this. See? And then you don't need to log in. Like that. And then example, my account, I mean channel. It's only like that. And then we will see one of the videos. The very short one. Like this. And I will show you the sounds. It's very loud. It has two speakers. This Asus Chromebook. And the quality of the video was good too. See? It was good. You can lower the volume there. Yeah, this is how is it. And then I will show you if I will log in. If you will exit the guest, then log in here in my. Then go. I am already logged in. See? I am logged in, and if I exit that, that's how it works. It's only something a kilo, 1 kilo, the weight of this. And then, if you want, it's very safe because there is, if you want to sign out, sign out. And then, you need to log in again. That's it. And then, shut down. This is the good one for this Chrome. It's like flat and it's very thin. That's it. Anyway, guys, I just want to say, this is my unboxing. This is the item inside the box that I unboxed. And before this video ended, I just want to say thank you to my husband who bought this Asus Chromebook. He bought it online. He bought it last Sunday. And it's only 2 days and been delivered. And this morning, we received a message that we need to pick it in Big in Hoting. So, we go there this morning and pick it up. So, this is a big credit. Not credit, but my husband bought it. Thank you for my husband who bought this Asus Chrome. And if you like this unboxing video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you are updated for my latest video. Thank you and bye.